Sai Ram to all. Hope you are very well at your places, enjoying at home, learning at home, and reading the textbook at home. I wish you are following the rules given by your teacher. Yes. Students, today I am here to start with our English grammar of our same chapter number 1. What was the chapter name we have started? Yes, that is noun and its kinds. Yes. Today we will learn about singular noun and plural noun. Okay? What are singular noun and what are plural noun? Yes. Noun. Okay, first of all tell me what is noun. I have told you in my previous video about the definition of noun. You should know, because you are in 4th standard, you should know the definition of noun. Okay? What is noun? Yes, tell me. Yes, very good. You should know. Okay? Those who don't know the definition of noun, they should learn it again. Okay? Noun is the name of person, place, or a thing. Okay? Noun is the name. It is a name given. Like my name is Meenakshi. Your name is Samriddhi. Your name may be Rahul. Same way, everyone has some name. Whether it is a place, whether it is a person, whether it is a thing, anything. Okay? Yes. That is called noun. Noun is the name of person, place, or a thing. Name I am saying Meenakshi. Place I am saying Dehradun. Okay? And a thing I am saying a ring. Okay? Or a pen you can say, or a pencil you can say, or a table you can say. Okay? Yes. So today we are going to start with our topic, that is singular noun and plural noun. Yes. So what is singular noun? That before starting that, I want to say you that noun can be singular or plural. Singular or plural. Okay. Depending on the number of things they name. Okay. Noun can be singular or plural depending on the number of things they name. Okay. Before wasting our time, let's see what are singular noun and what are plural noun. Okay class. Singular noun names with one person. Singular noun named with one person, one place and one thing. Okay, everything is one. It means one boy, one table, one pen, one ring. Okay, yes. Singular noun names with one person, place or a thing. Only one thing will be there. One person, one place and one thing. Not about two. We cannot say about two things in singular noun. Yes. Now coming to our next point, that is plural noun. Plural noun names with more than one. More than one. It means it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 2. Yes. More than. Plural noun names with more than one person, one place, one thing. Okay, it means more than one are there in plural noun. Understood both the things? Yes. Now, our next we can see our examples. For singular noun, we have book, because we are telling about one name, one place, one thing. Only one thing we will talk about. Okay? Table, pencil, man or a boy. Okay? But in plural nouns are books, because we are talking about more than one thing. It means one book I am not talking about. I am talking about two things. That is books. If two things are there, it will become books. Tables, men, boys and etc. Okay, these are example of singular noun and plural noun. Yes, now starting with singular nouns ending with. Yes, the singular nouns that ends with s, ss, sh, ch or x or z. Okay, today we will learn about these things, what to put behind of these numbers, those nouns, those singular nouns which ends with s, ss, sh, ch, xz. Okay, yes, let's move on. Yes, first we will talk about s, those in which we have to put s. Yes, add s to make most nouns plural. Okay, in most of the nouns we put s. What we have to put? S, like books, pens, tables, kids, pots. For changing singular into plural noun, okay, we put s. In this case we have learned about putting s behind any singular noun. Yes, books, pens, tables, kids, pots, etc. Now moving to the next. Add es to nouns ending in s, x, z, ch, ss, sh. Now we will learn the nouns those which ends with s, x, z, o, ch, ss, sh. Yes, in these nouns we will put, what we will put behind these nouns? We will put es. Okay, let me show you. Like you have given box. So what box will become when we will change it? It will become boxes. Okay, because we are talking about the nouns which ends with s, x, z, o, ch. I have told you about x. Yes, now moving to the next. Bus. Bus will become buses because it ends with s. This is the ending word s. It will become, behind this we will put es. The bus will become buses. Okay, now box will become boxes because it ends with x. Tomato ends with o. You can see here that the nouns which end with o, x, s, z, ch, ss, sh. Behind those nouns we put es. Okay, next is bushes, latches. Okay, yes, behind these singular nouns we will put es. You have to learn this. The numbers ending with these words we will put behind them es. Understood? Like, okay, yes. Now going to the next slide, next one. Yes, when a noun ends with a consonant and y change to y to I and we add es. Okay, I am showing you how. See, if we have given lady, what we have given? Lady. Now tell me, which is the last word? This is y. If before y is a consonant, I have written here no consonant. What are consonant? Consonant are, except in alphabets we have, how many alphabets are there in English? There are 26 alphabets. Okay, how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. These are, what are these? These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. 5 are vowels. It means except these vowels, remaining alphabets are consonant. Okay, it means D is a consonant. Understood? Yes. So what you have to do if a word ends with Y, it is ending with Y, but before Y, if it has a alphabet consonant, if that alphabet is consonant, so what we will write in place of, yes, sorry, in place of, yes, in place of Y, we will put I. Okay, we will change Y to I, and we will put behind ES. Understood? Understood or not? Okay, yes, again I am repeating. See, like if we have a baby, what is the last word? Last word is Y, and before the last word we have B. B is a consonant, so I will be changed, Y will be changed to I, and ES we will write behind. Okay, ES we will write behind. Understood? So baby will become babies. Okay, baby will become babies. Y will be changed to I, and then we will put ES. Okay, yes, lady will become ladies. Butterfly will become butterflies. Understood? Yes. I hope you all have got what I am telling. Yes, if you will practice, you will get. Now, we have some noun that end in F or FE. It means end means the last alphabet ends with F or FE. Like see, you can see here is FE. Here is FE, but here the last word is F. So, in these cases, what we do? Yes, what we do? Yes, that noun that ends with F or FE, change the F or FE to, we will change this FE to what? V, and we will add ES. Got it? Yes. Again I am repeating. Yes. If the words ends with FE, okay, if the word is having at last FE or F, so what is our duty? We will write the remaining words except these letters, and we will put VES directly. Okay, now see. Yes, now see, life will become what? Tell me. Life will become lives. In place of FE, we have written VES, and LI will be same. So what will letter become? Word will become LIVES, lives. Life will become lives. Knife will become, what knife will become? Knives. KNIVES, knives. Wife will become wives. What wife will become? Because the last word is FE. Okay. So we will change FE into VES by adding VES at last of the words. Okay. It will become, wife will become wives. Okay children. Yes, same way we will learn all about these now. Yes, children. Now, this is some special forms, their plurals in a special way. There are some words which has a special way. These are the special words that you have to learn. Yes. Child, when we will change child, child will become, yes, tell me what child will become. Child will become children. Okay. Tooth will become teeth. Tooth will become teeth. man, man will become man. Okay. Same way, woman will become woman. Woman will become woman. Foot will become fit. Foot will become fit. F-E-E-T, fit. Okay, foot will become fit. Okay, children. Now, ox will become oxen. Ox will become oxen. Deer will remain as it is. Deer will remain as it is. Okay. Foot will become fit. Foot will become fit. If somebody asks you what is the plural of this, foot will become fit. Understood? Men will become men, man. Child will become children. Mouse will become mice. Okay. Yes. Now we will move to the next. Yes, children, here are some words given to you. Here we have changed using S. Cow has become cows. Shop has become shops. S-H-O-P, sops. Now bus has become buses. We have add es. Okay. Dress has become dresses. Watch has become watches. Okay. Now coming to the next. For those noun which ends with io, they'll remain as it is. We will put just s behind them. If a verb, okay, it will become radios, bamboos. Only s I am putting. Okay. Now, yes. Now, day have become days. Donkey has become donkeys. Key has become K-E-Y. Key has become keys. Donkey will become donkeys. Okay. Fox. What fox will become? Tell me. Yes, fox will become foxes. Understood? Yes. Now, okay. Okay, tell me what lady will become. I have told you na, if a word's last alphabet ends with Y, what we will do, and before the word Y is a consonant, what we will do, we will put instead of Y, we will put I-E-S. Okay. So lady will become ladies. Lady will become ladies. Okay, got it? Yes. Story will become stories. Okay, children. You have to note down and you have to learn whatever I have taught today. Okay. Brush has become brushes. Okay. Now moving to the next. Yes. Children, what you have to do, this is the homework for you. Children, you have to write the definition of singular noun, plural noun with examples. Okay. Again, I am repeating, what is singular noun? That and then the noun which has only one place, one name, one thing. Only one. We are talking about one. Okay, plural nouns in which more than one things are there, one place are there, one names are there. Okay, and you have to write example also. Like singular noun, what example you will write? Only for one thing, like one ring, one pencil, one table. Okay, you will write book, car, chair. Okay, but in plural noun you will write chairs, you will put s, books, pencils, boxes. Okay, I hope you will all will do this. Now next one is question number 2 for homework is you have to change singular noun into plural noun. Okay, just tell me, you can do now. Yes, what you have to do is you have to change into plural noun. So lady will become what? Ladies. Book will become books. Box will become boxes. Men will become men, men. Child will become, yes, tell me. Yes, you have to do all this. Okay, you have to do this. You have to learn the definitions. Now I hope you all will learn at your home, and whenever I will ask you about this, you will be able to reply me in the class. Okay children, hope very well for you, and we will meet in our next class. Okay, Sairam, take care.